All right, Wildlife, welcome to your week 5 update of distance learning. We're going to go ahead and get started right away here. I was going to play a joke like one of my friends did to her students and make you guys get a whole new seating chart. And then Cybert made me redo my video, and I don't know, I just don't feel like it's going to be funny this time. It was kind of funny last time, but I'm okay. Anyways, week 5 is going to be April 27th through May 1st. Our learning targets for this week are going to be to compare reptiles and amphibians and examine taxidermy processes. Our ongoing project is going to be our SAE project right over here. And of course, if you have any questions, contact Ms. Cybert or myself. Alright, let's see. Make sure we're turning our assignments into the Google Forms down below. You guys have been pretty awesome about that. This week you do not have school on Friday, May 1st, so you won't have an assignment for that day, but all of your assignments will be due that night. So if you want to go ahead and get them done sooner, that'd be even better, and I'd be super proud of you and would appreciate it. Alright, so we're going to finish up our animal IDs this week. First you have a reptiles and amphibians activity. So I'll open that up and show it to you. It's going to be really, really simple, guys. Quite honestly, there's not a lot of activities out there for reptiles and amphibians. My hope was if we were in the classroom, we could have someone maybe bring some in, and that might have been really cool. But this is going to be our adjustment. So basically, you're just going to tell me what's the difference between reptiles and amphibians and what characteristics describe each of those. And those together. Wow, the sun came out and it's really bright and I can't see my mouse anymore. Okay. And then part 2 of that assignment, you're going to sort out our reptiles and amphibians PowerPoint from the weekly plan and just sort if it's a reptile or amphibian. So it shouldn't take you very long. Should be super, super easy for you guys. And I know there's plenty of information about these things out there because I tried to kind of do it, but if I showed you what I did, it would have given away like the answers. So yeah, so that's why you didn't get an example. When you're done, go ahead, turn it into the Dropbox below. On Tuesday, we're going to do our typical like study and do our quiz thing. Remember, you need to get at least 10 of those right for the quiz. You guys have been doing really awesome about that. I appreciate all the hard work, and you guys are doing really good at them too. Like, I'm pretty impressed. I'm not sure how many I could even identify, so that's pretty impressive, and I'm glad that it's going good for you guys too. Taxidermy project is going to wrap up this unit for us. So if we open that up real quick, just want to give you guys a warning that this can be kind of gross. Some of the stuff you're going to look into might just be a little nasty. So you guys are really lucky in the fact that when I was intern in Grand Rapids, Minnesota with their FFA chapter, they actually were doing taxidermy when I got there, and I'd never seen it done before. So I walked in and saw all these like gutted squirrels and everything. I was like, what the heck? Like, first day, I was like, this is gonna be a great internship. I'm so excited. You guys are really lucky that Cybert doesn't make you do really gross things like that. So we are just going to look into taxidermy because we've talked about all these animals, and most of these animals can be taxidermied. So we're just going to take a look at them and see what... Oh my gosh, my door keeps moving. Just like learn briefly about it. So there's going to be a few parts to this, and overall I would not recommend eating while you do it, just because it's not, no, that's weird, don't do that. So a brief slide about what it is. You have a couple days, so day 1 you're going to complete the history and chemistry of taxidermy as well as the career profile sections of the PowerPoint, and then day 2 is going to be more about like how to taxidermy and the locations where taxidermists are around you guys or around the world, whatever that might be. You get to choose for the how to taxidermy area. You get to choose what you want to learn how to taxidermy, I guess. So that's kind of cool, and hopefully you can cater it more towards you guys. So that's all listed there. Once you have all the parts completed, turn it into the Dropbox here. No school Friday, and like I said, that will wrap up our unit. This is actually, well, Friday is my last day of student teaching, so this will be the last set of lesson plans that you see from me. So I don't know how you guys feel about that. Cyber gets to come back next week. And it'll be great. She's going to do super awesome. I did want to take a couple moments just to thank you guys for being really awesome. I told I told this in like the video I made that Cyber told me to redo because we didn't realize we didn't have school on Friday, but now we know. So, I told her that you guys, like, I can't say this, I don't think. I don't know, but you guys are definitely probably my favorite class. I had so much fun planning lessons for you guys. I hope you guys had a little bit of fun too, at least. Yeah, just like thank you. You guys were really awesome and made it pretty easy to be a student teacher. And I came in a little scared. So I want to thank you guys so much for being willing to try new things with me, try different activities, and hopefully it wasn't torture for you guys either. But yeah. All right. Well, that is all I have. So this will be my last time giving you a weekly update. And these will be the last assignments that I grade too. So, good luck. You guys are going to do awesome things. I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and I can't wait to see all the great things that you guys are going to do in the future. See ya!